Hello everyone, today we will be talking about Begonia herveyana species, or we can know them as their common name, Asam batu. Before we start our explanation about Begonia herveyana species, let's know about our member. First is Kaisara Shaukina binti Ibrahim, or we can know her as Kai. The second is Shafika Alia Samsul Kamal, or we can know her as Alia. Number 3 is Joyance Chanziyu, or you can know me as Joyance. And also number 4, Muhammad Shamil bin Mohammed Kamil, or you can know him as Shamil. These are the taxonomy and classification of Asam batu. First, Kingdom Plantae. Second, phylum Magnoliophyta. Class Magnoliopsida. Order Cucurbitales. Family Begoniaceae. Genus Begonia, and also species Herveyana.
Hello everyone, now it's my turn to talk about geographical range of this Begonia herveyana species. This Begonia herveyana, or we call it as pokok asam batu, were found and classified as endemic in Johor and Malacca. Begonia herveyana can be found in tropical rainforests, and to be more specific, it developed in understory of lowland tropical forest, where it sits between the forest floor and the canopy. This Begonia herveyana plant is native to the tropical and subtropical of moist climates of South and Central America, Africa, and also southern of Asia. Next, let's talk about the habitat of this plant in Malaysia. This Begonia herveyana plant were grown at area with highly humidity or moist place and get a consistent shade that provided by the canopy of tropical forests, so that this plant can grow to the optimum growth. Next, this plant also found grow in boulder in stream indicates as rhyophyte plant, which means this plant can survive in fast-moving water currents and environments where the other few plants can't survive there. The third one is this plant start develop ranging from lowland area to moderately higher terrains near to the hilly or rocky landscape. The last one is this plant thrives in degrading habitats like granite formation and also boulders.
As Begonia herveyana species, or we can know it as Asam batu, need a specific humidity for their living. So they are usually live in the boulder in stream in narrow valley.
The conservation status of Begonia herveyana. Begonia herveyana is a plant species endemic to the Peninsula Malaysia, specifically found in Malacca and Johor. It is classified as critically endangered due to significant habitat loss from mining activities and other environmental pressures. Conservation efforts are underway to prevent its extinction. A conservation action plan has been developed to facilitate both in situ and ex situ conservation strategies. Additionally, this species is included in Malaysian Plant Red List, highlighting its critical conservation status.
Now, I will be explaining about the local threats that are affecting Begonia herveyana. As we know, the plant species is endemic, which means they are specifically located in a few places. Firstly, the action of mining, which causes the natural habitat of the species to be affected negatively. The plant relies on natural rock formations such as boulders and granites. As such, they rely on those rock formations as a form of supports for the plant to grow. Without the rocks, the plant will have a hard time maintaining support, making it harder for them to grow. Next, the activity of overlogging also contributes to the threatening of the species. When the trees are cut down, it will increase the surrounding temperature of the forest, which makes it unsuitable for the plant to thrive. Other than that, more exposure of sunlight will cause competition with other species of plant, which means the plant will have a harder time to compete and survive. Thus, immediate action should be taken by the responsible authorities to prevent the species from going into the brink of extinction.
There are some actions that we can do to prevent the continuously decreasing number of asam batu in our country. First is the habitat protection. We can create or reserve the protected area for them to prevent them from their threats. We may also regulate deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture in the protected area. Secondly, restoration of habitat. We can restabilize the ecosystem for planting asam batu and also remove invasive species that may compete with them. Thirdly, regulation and policy. The enforcement of strict laws and rules for the illegal logging are very important in to protect asam batu to continuous harm by these activities. These are the references that we use for the explanation of Begonia herveyana. They are all from the website, and it is a reliable resource to know more about this species. In conclusion, the number of Begonia herveyana species or asam batu is continuously decreasing in our country, Malaysia, and it has been a very serious issue among the world of conservation. Therefore, all the people in Malaysia should have awareness to this issue. And furthermore, we as a part of Malaysian must have our initiative to protect these special plants in our country before it is extinct from this world forever. These are the explanation of asam batu from us. Hope you like our video and our explanation about Begonia herveyana. See you next time. Bye.